Welcome back to our Legacy Builder series. I'm Lisa Ward, the founder and CEO of Plumb Financial. So you might have heard of this new senior bonus deduction. How does it work? Do I qualify? Both are great questions, and as always, it depends. With tax law, there's always some fun rules to jump around and try to figure out. So I'm going to run through a single filer example, but in the notes and the description below, I will put the married filing joint numbers as well for you to review. So how does it work? Well, if you are over the age of 65, you qualify for this with an asterisk. So for a single filer, the standard deduction this year is $15,750. And with previous tax law, you got an additional $2,000 of senior deduction. Well, now we have the new bonus senior deduction, and there is an income phase out with this, as always. So if you, this calendar year, make under $75,000 and you're over the age of 65, then you get the full bonus deduction of $6,000. You're like, great, Lisa, that sounds wonderful. But what if you make more than that? So what if we make, say, $125,000? Well, there is a phase out from $75,000 to $175,000, and every dollar of income over the $75,000, it's a 6-cent reduction for the deduction. It's like, whoop, that was a lot of math, Lisa. So let's run through that. So say you make $125,000 this calendar year and you're over 65. The phase out starts at $75,000. So we are $50,000 over the 75 threshold. So 50,000 times 6 cents gets us to $3,000. So the full bonus is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. So if you were making $125,000, your deductions would be the standard deduction, the $15,750, plus the regular senior deduction of $2,000, plus an additional 3. So bringing that total, to a much larger number than previously, so saving tax dollars. So if you guys have questions about this and want to run your specific, what could my senior bonus potentially be? Do I qualify? Want to give this with a caveat, I do not give tax advice. We partner with your CPAs and your accountants to make sure that we are doing what is best for you so that we are saving where we can for our tax bill come April every year. So if you guys want to walk through this, feel free to schedule your blueprint call and look forward to talking to you soon.